This dude here has been on my want list for the last 3 years. This is a 12-volt portable refrigerator or freezer. It can be used for a multitude of things, but it has so much packed inside of it that is absolutely amazing. We currently have this running off a battery pack that will come with this guy. It is magnetized to this cooler, so it'll sit there, do whatever you want, haul it around and be fairly portable. Keep this running for about 8 hours at close to freezing levels. You can drop this guy down to below 0 degrees Fahrenheit if you'd like to use it as a freezer. It also has a UV light inside, so you can clean anything that's in there and make sure you don't have bacteria or viruses on any of the cans or anything else that you put in this thing. This is absolutely awesome. If you do meetings or anything else, this is a must-have. We're gonna go through this guy top to bottom. Stay tuned. First thing we did was plug the ICECO JP50 Pro into the wall, set it for 41 degrees, and load it full of very warm beer. We let this guy go for 2 hours. We opened the lid, got out our infrared temperature gun, and looked around. This guy has everything just about perfect. Now, I do not trust this temp gun by any means. If I go here 42.6, then if I go to different areas, I get 51. That is simply not true. I can get different temperatures at different parts of the cans. What told me everything was at 41 was the digital display and the fact that the compressor stopped running for periods of time. And that was absolutely awesome. If you're looking for something that can cool things down quickly, this is it. Beyond the ICECO's ability to cool things down very quickly, it's also very smart, so it will protect your battery. It's set on medium right now, if you can see it. That will automatically turn this off at 10.9 volts. So as soon as this voltage gets down to a point where it might be draining your battery, it says, hey, I can't do this, and it will turn it off. That's gonna be awesome if this is plugged in your car and left that way. You're not gonna come back to a dead battery. Beyond that, you also have the ability to adjust this in temperature up to 60, and it'll push and hold, it'll go faster, and down to -4. So you can use this as a freezer. It's this little red dot here that knows when the lid is opened and closed. So when the lid is open too long, it will also turn off the compressor saying, hey, there's a problem. And if it's open for a while, it will start beeping. So you can have other settings inside. If you push and hold the settings button, you can see we have the max blinking there. We can change that to eco. So we have an eco mode for the compressor, so it will last longer. It will take a little bit more time to get things cool, but if it's running off the battery pack or running in your car and just holding a temperature, it works excellent there. Max is obviously going to get you the coldest, the fastest. You also have your UV light. You hear a beep. That can be turned on and turned off very easily. So if you don't want to run that for battery power, it is tucked away in the back. Up here, there's also a light up front. So if you'd like that light to be on while this is working, you can push and hold those lights. And anytime the cover opens, that light will turn on. Tons of functions here, tons of good stuff to protect you from anything bad happening. This cooler has a small area where the compressor is, so it kind of has a bump that comes up over there. Total length of this is going to be 22 inches. Width is going to be 9 1/4 of usable space. In its deepest section, it's going to have about 16 inches of usable space, and that is going to be approximately 14 inches long. And then we have about 8 inches that is going to be 8 1/4 inches tall of usable space. I have some of the taller cans over here, and we have plenty of room, and you're not able to quite stack these beer cans too wide on their side, but you could stack them this way so that you could easily get a lot more beer in here than what I have. Now obviously people are going to use this for more than just beer. You can use this for freezing, and there is quite a bit of space in here. The rear of the refrigerator freezer has a single handle for lifting it up. You also have 3.5-inch tires on the back, so you can roll this thing around pretty easily. And it also has one of two places in the back to plug this in. This is the cable that you have that is the cigarette lighter adapter. It is 12 feet long, and I have the AC adapter connected here so we can run this off of the grid. Basically, it's just going to plug into 120, plug into your cigarette lighter adapter, and go. Now that means we can plug this into other portable power stations, and we do not have to use the smaller one if we're in that situation where we want this to run for a very long time. The front of this unit is going to be where the power is, so you can turn this guy on and off. You also have a large handle here for rolling it around. You also have a small handle for picking it up and carrying it. And in the same position, you could also plug it in up here in the front if that was more convenient for you. So what we have here is a refrigerator or freezer that is 12 volt, but it has some smart technology inside, so we can plug this into our car and walk away without worrying that we're going to come back to a car with a dead battery. That to me is huge because anyone can then use this. And if you have it set up on a portable power station, you also know that you have a little bit more protection for the compressor or anything else because it's going to turn itself off before the voltage gets too low. That part is 100% cool. You could use this for hunting if you're in an outdoor situation where you might need a freezer. You can use it for fishing. The endless possibilities are out there. This is going to be used for us in a meeting situation where we have a meeting in a room all day. We can pull this in, plug it into the wall. It will continue to operate and keep things at whatever temperature we'd like all day. If we put more warm items in here, be it water or anything like that, it'll cool them down quickly, and it's large enough that it can take care of a large room of people. This is absolutely awesome. No more need to go out and get ice. Everything here is going to work for us long periods of time. That's where we went with it. I absolutely love this. I love the fact that we can put a battery on the side. I'm interested in your comments. Leave them below. As always, give us a like in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.